Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to create a countdown timer clock of 10 seconds using Microsoft PowerPoint software. First, open a new presentation of Microsoft PowerPoint. Delete the previous text boxes, which are present by default. Then, click on Insert button. Then click on Shapes. Then click on Oval Shape and create an oval shape. Right-click on the oval, then click on Format Shape, then choose the color of the oval as you want. Here we have selected green color. Then choose No Line for the oval. Right-click on the oval. Then click on Size and Position. Then choose same height and width to make the perfect circle shape. Click on Lock Aspect Ratio. Make one copy of that circle. Then make another copy of that circle. Place this new circle on the first circle, and change its color to white. Now, reduce the size of this white circle. Then, edit text in this circle, and write 10 in it. Now, using Command Ctrl D, create 10 more duplicates of these circles. Edit texts in these circles, and write numbers from 9 to 0 in them. Select all these circles, and give them a pair effect. Then give them all. Start with previous effect. For the first circle with text 10, set the delay to 0 second. Then for next circle with text 9, set the delay time to 1 second. Similarly, increase the delay timings by 1 second for all the next circles. Now place the circle of text 9 exactly on the circle of text 10. Similarly, put all circles in descending order. Now, send this green circle backward. Place this second green circle exactly on the first green circle, and make its size little bigger. Then, Change its color from green to white color. Now, add wheel effect to this white colored circle. Instead of 4 spokes, select 1 spoke to the wheel. Give start with previous effect to this circle. Now, set the speed of rotation of wheel to 10 seconds. Set the delay time to 0 seconds. Now, move this wheel to the first position. Now, let us see how this countdown timer clock works. You can see, this is working properly. Now let's add time up text as the time completes. For that, let's make copy of same text box and write in it time up text. Then, finally give blinking effect to this time up text. Now, you can see, this countdown timer clock is working properly. You can use this timer clock to make quizzes, or anywhere you need it. Thanks for watching this video. Please share this video, and subscribe my channel.